Net worth is a measure of an individual's financial health in personal finance and wealth management. It is essential because it reflects a person's wealth and assets, which can assist in identifying their financial progress and assist in achieving long-term goals. Net worth is the difference between the cash value of all assets a person owns and the total sum of all their liabilities, debts. This calculation provides an overview of an individual's financial position. The following are the major components of net worth. 1. Assets. Assets are possessions or things a person owns, such as a car, a house, stocks, bonds, or retirement accounts. Assets appreciate or depreciate over time, depending on various factors, such as economic conditions and market trends. 2. Liabilities. Liabilities are debts that a person has to pay, such as a mortgage, credit card bills, auto loans or student loans. The higher the liabilities, the lower the net worth. 3. Cash reserves. Cash reserves are liquid assets, such as savings accounts, checking accounts, and emergency funds. They are essential in managing unexpected expenses or for supporting oneself in case of emergencies. Having a high net worth is advantageous as it can enable one to achieve long-term financial goals, such as retirement or buying a home. It also provides a sense of financial security and can enable one to handle financial challenges that pop up along the way. To increase net worth, individuals should focus on the following. 1. Reduce debt. Avoid overspending and take measures to reduce debt by making more than the minimum payments towards liabilities. 2. Invest in appreciating assets. Investing in assets such as stocks and real estate can increase overall net worth while also providing a passive income stream. 3. Increase savings. By gradually increasing savings, one can build a strong cash reserve, which is crucial for handling unexpected expenses. 4. Reduce expenses. Minimizing expenses can allow for more funds to be directed towards investing and saving. In summary, increasing net worth is a powerful way to achieve financial stability and freedom. By focusing on reducing debt and increasing savings, investing in appreciating assets, and reducing expenses, individuals can gradually grow their net worth over time.